And let's face it, we have been acting like water is this infinite resource that we have at our disposal whenever we need it. But the reality is it is a finite resource. We cannot be watering everything loosey-goosey like we have been. We need to be conserving water more and more every day. We can't even really be watering our yards the way we have been. And I know it hurts and it stings, but this is the gosh darn truth. We just can't be doing that anymore. We need to be treating water like a finite resource and conserving it for the future.